Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Steph. That's me. So in today's video, we have it was a new subscription. It wasn't a subscription. I got the one-time limited whatever, summer edition thing or whatever with the 4 products from GlowAddict. This, however, is the monthly subscription. I believe it costs $18.99. I'll link it all down below because, like I said, new subscription. So let's go ahead. Oh, sorry. If you want to see what's inside, it's late, guys. If you want to see what's inside this new subscription on the channel, then keep on watching. Hey guys, remember to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thank you. Okay guys, sorry about that, rough intro. So yes, GlowAddict, new to the channel. This is the monthly subscription. I went ahead and, like I said, I switched up a couple of boxes and we have this. So let's open her up. My label's on the back. I don't know where I'm supposed to cut this thing at, so let's just cut it ever so slightly. That's why I like those razors, but one just broke apart and I can't find the other one, so I don't know. All right, there we have it. Okay, there we go. And I don't remember how many products come in this, but I will link all the information down below, along with a link that will probably take you directly to the site, because that's what I normally do. I do have a big announcement, big for me anyway. I can't even believe it. I'm so honored and thrilled. It's about Slay Glam Box, but just keep watching for that. I'm very happy about that. So anyway, this is GlowAddict, and I don't really know anything about the subscription other than what we're going to pull out the bag right now. So let's get into it. I do have my glasses. I hope there's a card. I don't know, because if not, I have a lot of editing to do. But I'm just going to go ahead and dump everything out. It does come in, I thought it was a box. I don't know. But maybe not. Maybe I was wrong. There is this is it. Then I see the products. There's a little bit of bubble wrap. I don't know what it was on, but whatever it is, it slipped out of. Okay, so let's see. Maybe it was this. I don't know. Let's stick that in there. That probably looks about right. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. The August box. Okay, so there is a card. Yay! Oh, there's a card. Yes, thank you. I get so excited when I see a card. You don't even know. Okay, so no editing. Not really. So this is the month of August, and it is August Beauty Box. There is no theme, it doesn't look like, unless... Oh, I do know on their website, some of the items... Now, I got caught up because there's this face palette I wanted to get to do a giveaway. And they said if you use the code August 50, you'll get 50% off the already slashed price. But it doesn't work for that. So I didn't end up getting it. I was going to get 2, one for me, one for you, because it really looks nice. I might still get it. It all depends. Remember I said a little bit of money problems. I'm trying to I'm definitely at a no buy except for the Jeffree Star. I will get that somehow, some way, come hell or high water. But there's the card for that. And yeah. So there you have it. It doesn't say, the theme, but they do have the items and the prices listed below, aside of them, which is awesome. Okay, so let's get into it, shall we? The first thing I see here, oh no. Okay, like I always say, you can never have too many, but I'm seeming that I am having too many now. But this is Beauty Tools is the brand, I believe. Oh no, it's from Cala, the ones who make the sponges and the brushes, which I heard the sponges that came out in one of those subscriptions are awesome. BoxyCharm, I forget. Anyway, the Cala sponges, this is the brand, Cala. And really? Yeah, from Cala. Beauty Tools by Cala. And it is another eyelash curler. So there you have that. This is valued at $10. Okay, so that's pretty expensive for an eyelash curler, I guess. I don't know. I mean, my oh, and it has an extra thingy in there too. So this seems to be a pretty nice one. Cala makes pretty good brushes, and from what I heard, their sponges are awesome. So, okay, here we have that. So that is $10. No, yeah, $10. There you have that. So that's the first item. I'll put that over there. I'm not going to take it out of the box because I'm just not going to. And then we have here, which I do know this brand and I absolutely do like it. I got eye patches from BoxyCharm and I use them and they are pretty good. So this is the Grace and Stella Rose Mist set. And this is right here. Rose Mist, sorry. Rose Mist, and this is $9.99. It's just a little, you know, throw in your purse and go bottle. But Rose Mist. If you don't like rose, let me see. Let me see how bad it is. The sprayer's a little tough, but I mean, it is a mist. It's not like shh. Yeah, no, it's hard. I would not spray that on my face right now, but yeah, I would. This is, okay, hold on. I'm going to read what it says. There is a little something on the bottle, so I'll give you much information as I can. It says, hydrating facial spray. So there you have it. Spray 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply as needed. Okay, so there you have it. It's just a little bottle, but hey, great for the purse, great for traveling. Who wants to bring those? And it's plastic, which is awesome because I have some glass ones and you don't want to bring them traveling. This is retailed at $9.99, like I said, okay? So far, these two items definitely paid for the box. I do know that, okay? All right. I know it's not over $20 because I was like, how do they do this? But there you have that. Okay, so then the next thing is, okay, so this, oh, okay. So this is Manica D'Ar, which I like Manica D'Ar. I really do. And this is a brush set. So this is pretty awesome. It says limited edition, and they look oh so nice. You've got a shader, a blender. I don't know what that is. What's that say? Hold on. You've got a shader brush, a blender brush, a tall tapered blender brush, which is more like the eye pencil. I call them pencil brushes, but and then you have a precision brush. So each one used to blend out harsh lines on eyeshadow, which is the shader, and it looks like it's slanted. Then you have the blender brush, a perfect tool for creating smoky eye effect. Tall tapered blender brush applies shadow precisely in the crease, brow bone, inner corner of your eyes. That's the one I said. And then precision brush is it's unique dome shaped, is used to apply shadow on the eyelids and brow bone. So yeah, what that one looks, yeah. So that's the one you kind of like, it kind of reminds me of like this one. Okay, you like run it, it's see how it's like thin, kind of like there, and you would run it. That's what I used to, I pack it on and then I smoke it out, okay, with this. But yeah, that's what it looks like. But here they are right there in the pack. I don't know, let me do left-handed if you can see that. So that's nice. I like Manica D'Ar, I'm a fan of that. And this is valued at $29. For 4 brushes. Manica D'Ar, yeah, she's up there, let me tell you. So, and she does have good products, so that's awesome. How do they do that for this much money? Okay, whatever. So there's the third price, so I'm loving that. You know me and brushes, love them. So then we have something from Steb Beauty, which is liquid eyeshadow. Okay, this is what it looks like here. And remember that palette we got that I stuck my finger in and I said, you want me to put it in a giveaway? Same brand, okay? And it is Shining Eyes Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, so let's, oh, in black. What? I don't do black, so who out there does black? Comment below. Who wears black liquid eyeshadow? I mean, you could probably use this as a liner, I would imagine. Well, I don't know. You got to see if it's vegan, so that's the one. Well, if you can put it on your eyes. So it's got plastic. I say that's kind of janked up, but it does have plastic. I'm not going to open this, guys. It's all encased in plastic. So there you have it. I mean, I don't know. Can you see the glitter in there? Let me see. Can we? Oh, there it is. There you go. See the glitter? There you have it. See, there you go. Very glittery. Very glittery, actually. I mean, that's not even showing you how much it is. It's like, yeah, it's black, but there's a ton of glitter in there, and it's like a goldish glitter. Almost, I would think like this color, like a rosy gold. That's what it kind of looks like. So that's kind of cute. And this is valued at $14.99. So there you have that. Again, there's the packaging it comes in. So I'm going to set this to the side because, yeah, I actually have one like this. I believe I got it from Glitz Glam Box. Somebody, I don't remember, Slay Glam Box, one of those subscriptions. Okay, so the last thing in here, last but not least, is an eyeshadow palette from The Balm. Okay, so I like The Balm. The Balm is cool. It says, I like the Balm packaging always gets me. I frigging love them. I mean, all right, this is so cute. Just look at her. I mean, that is just so cute. This reminds me of what? Like the 50s, I don't know. Guys, I was not born back then. I'm not that old. But, you know, you see things, right? So, I don't know if that's 50s or 60s. I don't know. I'm going to have to look it up. But this is the Smoke Bomb with foil. Smoke Bomb with foil. Okay. It says volume 4, 4 foiled eyeshadow palette. Yeah. So these must be shimmers. I'll say. So it does have a thing like this. Oh, and it does have a little thing on the back that shows you how to do whatever you want to do there. That's kind of cute. Ooh, I popped the bubble. Oh, here. And these are the shades there on the back too as well. So that's awesome. Oh, what did it matter? She howling at the door like she wants to go out. You've never been outside before. Why do you don't know what's out there? She has no idea. Okay, so this isn't like this is, okay, I gotta say, guys, for a 3-pan eyeshadow palette, this thing is pretty awesome. Like, I'm kind of digging it. This would be perfect for traveling. This is all you need. You know, you're going overnight, you're going out for the weekend, you know, somewhere, and you don't want to do a lot, you know, on your face, just enough to go to dinner or what have you. This is so pretty. I think it really is pretty. Let me turn it this way. It does have the shadow names there. But like, guys, look at that. That is so awesome. You've got a satiny shimmer, I would say. You've got a matte, and then of course you've got a shimmer there too. Huh. But they say foiled, but there is a matte. So what does it say for though? Wait a minute, I'm confused. Oh, volume 4. It's volume 4, and then it says foiled shadows. Foiled eyeshadow palette, yeah. What? Shh. What? I don't know what that says. What is that word? I don't know. I have no idea. That's in a different language. I don't know. Warning, may cause sparks to fly. I just love The Balm. I'm sorry. I just really think they're so cute. Their sayings, their packaging, their artwork, everything is just really cute about The Balm. I've always liked their packaging. Not sure how the eyeshadow. I don't know if I have anything from The Balm. I think I had one and I gave it away, but again, this is so cute. And this is valued at $20 for 3 eyeshadows. Damn, they better be really good, right? Oh wow. Okay, so let's recap at what we got, okay? Since this is the first time I'm getting a subscription. And hey guys, this is a really good, I mean, if I'm thinking $18.99, and I don't know if there's shipping, but I think it was $3 shipping or $2.95 shipping, I believe. So I think it was like $21, but you got the 4-piece eyeshadow. Now, would I pay that for this? $29 for 4 brushes? Hell no. But it came in a subscription box. So for $21, you've got your price of the box and the shipping. There it is, right? And then some. And then you've got a $20 palette from The Balm. I mean, The Balm's a name. I mean, this is a brand name. You know, they're pretty high up there. Not talked about a lot. And I think a lot of times they're underrated. But, like I said, I don't really know how well they perform. I could have swore I got one in Ipsy once. I might have. And it might be in there still. I don't know. But anyway, there you have that. So we have this. You got the eyeshadow. You got the brushes that go with it. That's awesome. Then you've got the eyelash curler, right, for $10, which is a Cala, which is a pretty good brand. And then, although I do see Cala and TJ Maxx a lot, but, you know, hey, that's nothing, right? And then, what else was in there? Oh, and so is that it? No. Oh, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so where am I missing something? I'm missing something. Oh, yeah. The black eyeshadow right here. Okay, so that's the sparkly eyeshadow. So there you get two different kinds of eyeshadows, a cream and a powder. You get the brushes, you get the eyelash curler, and you get the rose mist. So, I mean, that's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. So the total of the box comes, thank you, Jesus, I don't have to do it. They have it totaled up for me. So the total value of this box with everything included is $83.97. And there you have it right there. I'll hold it up, see if you guys can see it. I can't do this left-handed, guys. Okay, there you go. So I'll wait until it focuses. I'll stay out of the way and see. There you go. Carly is going by again. I can't believe her. You need to get down right now. Go. Go. No. Carly, oh my God. I have a big box of Jeffree Star right here, and she jumps on Jeffree Star. Okay. No. Can't do that. Okay. So anyway, it's, again, $83.97. So $84, guys. That's the value of the box, and I paid $21, I believe. But I will link it down below for sure. But I know it's not more than, like, you know, it's not $25 or anything like that. It's extremely inexpensive as far as boxes go. So, there you have it. So that is the GlowAddict for the month of August. And it's the first time I got it, and I think I'm going to go ahead and probably get it again. Now, they do have other subscriptions. I believe they have a mini that's 3 items valued at $25 or more. I don't remember, but I know it was $13.99. I know that. I just don't know how much it was worth. So this one has 5 products. Wait. Yeah, 5 products. And again, $83 or $84, and I paid $18.99. So that's not bad. You know, with the shipping, an extra $2.95. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I really do like this eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely liking the lash curler thingy-majiggy. And then, of course, with brushes, you know, I'll either use them or I'll keep them like this and send them in a giveaway. Because, you know, I always try to hook you guys up as far as if there's a palette, which always usually is. And I always try to send some kind of brushes with you so you can use the palette. So, there you have it. All right, guys, listen, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for spending time with me. I truly appreciate it. If you are new here, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Take a chance on the channel. Take a chance on me, and take a chance on what this could become. Also, please put your bell on, and most of all, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, okay? It will really help me. I'm begging everyone, the first thing when you click on the video, hit the bell. Hit the thumb. Just hit the thumb. That's what I do, because if I don't do that, I will forget. I will forget if I don't do it right away. So, I don't know, sometimes the thumbs don't match the views, and that's because people watch. I was like, how come that's happening? My girlfriend said, duh, maybe somebody's watching your video twice. And I was like, oh yeah, you can't hit the thumb twice. And she's like, yeah. And I was like, oh, okay, but it's way off. It's like double. So unless everyone's watching my videos twice, which is oh so cool, because that totally gives me my time, please remember to rate the video, okay? And then also please become a member of this community. We have a great family here. I mean, always nice, always supportive. I just love each and every one of you guys. I really, really do. So, with that said, thank you so much for tuning in with me. Remember, reach out to someone if you're feeling blue or if you're just not feeling right. Talk to someone about anything, and you just may feel better. Please talk to a loved one. Don't wait till the last minute or think you have another day, because you just might not. And that's a horrible situation. I know firsthand, okay? But most of all, out of everything that's going on in the world today, please, guys, stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye.